One thing I would like to bring to your attention is my portable solar panels for use when off-grid camping. As you can see, I've got a flexible portable solar panel and 4 clamps. These clamps are about £5 a pair off eBay, and they simply unclip, and it's very simple. You just grab the clamp, it doesn't leave any residue on the Caravan, and I didn't clip it on properly there, so I'll try it again. Clamp it on, tighten it up, and it tightens your portable solar panel to the back of the van. Now it's always good to chase the sun, and as you will be able to see, I am looking directly at the sun, or the sun is looking directly at the solar panel to maximize the amount of electricity coming into the panel. Now this side of the van, you can see that it's in shadow, so obviously if you move it into sight of the sun, then you're going to maximize the amount of power that you get. So there you have it, portable power for your off-grid camping in a Bailey Senator.